And now we bring you more news about the encounter that happened in Jammu Kashmir's Kishtwar and where 3 terrorists were neutralized. These were Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists who were neutralized by the forces. The joint operation happened yesterday and a cache of arms and ammunition has been recovered. And India Today now brings you a ground report from Kishtwar.
Right now, we are reporting from Ground Zero in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir, and the security forces have achieved a major success in the anti-terror operation here. 3 dreaded Jaish terrorists were neutralized yesterday in a well-coordinated operation by the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF. You can see the arms and ammunition that have been recovered from the encounter site. 2 AK series rifles are there. Magazines of the AK series rifles are here. And this gun, this rifle, it's being believed that this was the rifle which was used by the dreaded Jaish terror commander Saifullah. It has also been recovered, it's charred, and there are other equipment also that was used by terrorists while they were active in this region for last more than 2 years. You can see these bullets. These bullets can penetrate through the bulletproof jackets. These bullets, they were used by these terrorists while they were carrying out attacks on the security forces and civilians in last more than 2 years in this region.
We had the input that in a particular area those terrorists were there, and we were trying to entice response from them. But it was Tyson, when he went inside, that was the time when the first fire was exchanged, and he confirmed the presence of the terrorist in that area, and that's how the entire operation were.
How is he doing?
He's doing fine. He's doing well with the wishes of the entire nation. He is doing well, and you'll see him smiling soon.